Have you ever felt that some people break the rules not because they want to, but because the system corners them? Sociologists call this structural strain, and it might explain more about our world than we think. Structural strain, rooted in Robert K. Merton's strain theory, argues that when societies set cultural goals like wealth, success, or status, but fail to provide equal means to achieve them, frustration grows. People adapt in different ways. Some conform, others innovate through illegal paths. Some retreat from society, and a few rebel to change the system entirely. Historically, this idea gained momentum in the mid-20th century as industrial societies expanded. Inequality deepened, expectations rose, but opportunities didn't. By the 1980s and 1990s, globalization magnified this imbalance, creating entire groups striving for goals they could see but could never realistically reach. Contemporary sociologists have expanded Merton's vision. Anthony Giddens highlights how modern institutions intensify uncertainty, pushing people toward risky adaptations when structures fail them. Zygmunt Bauman explains how liquid modernity dissolves stable pathways, leaving individuals to fend for themselves in a system that rarely accommodates them. Among Muslim sociologists, Abdelwahab El-Affendi explores how political exclusion creates societal strain that leads to cycles of mistrust, protest, or apathy. He argues that when institutions lose moral credibility, people withdraw their loyalty. Ali Shariati focuses on how oppressed populations experience not only economic strain, but spiritual and cultural frustration, fueling social movements demanding dignity and fairness. Syed Hussein Alatas exposes captive mind structures, colonial or bureaucratic systems that limit people's ability to access opportunities, resulting in inequality sustained across generations. Consider real-life examples. A young graduate navigating a job market that demands experience he can't gain without being hired first. Migrant families who work multiple jobs yet can't secure stable housing because the system isn't built for them. Youth in marginalized neighborhoods who see luxury on their screens but no legitimate path to reach it. Structural strain isn't just about crime, it's about unmet promises. When societies glorify success but deny fair access, they quietly produce tension, resentment, and alternative pathways that may harm both individuals and communities. So the question becomes, what kind of structures are we building today, and who gets left behind? If we want a future where people don't have to bend the rules to survive, then our institutions, expectations, and values must align. Real stability begins when dignity and opportunity are not privileges, but standards.